Hey everyone, in this full guide, I'll show you how to make viral short videos in DaVinci Resolve. So whether you're creating YouTube shorts, TikToks, Instagram reels, gaming clips, or motivational edits, yeah, the right editing style can help your videos feel much more engaging and professional. First, open DaVinci Resolve and create a new project. Then set the timeline resolution to a vertical format like 1080 by 1920. Next, import your video clips, music, sound effects, and images into the media pool to make short videos go viral, grab attention within the first few seconds. Start with the most exciting or interesting moment immediately. Keep the video fast-paced by trimming unnecessary moments and using quick cuts between scenes. Captions are extremely important for short-form videos because many people watch without sound. Once your short video looks good, open the Deliver page and export it using vertical high-quality settings. After exporting, upload your video to YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels with a strong title, captions, and hashtags. And that's basically how to make viral short videos in DaVinci Resolve. With strong hooks, fast pacing, captions, music syncing, and cinematic effects, you can create much more engaging short-form content directly from your PC or laptop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.